To insert main brush in Dreame L10s Pro 2nd generation, first of all you will need to grab your main brush, and then you can see two different ends on it. So one end is a square and the other end looks like this. Not sure what shape it is, but it is quite smaller. So you want to align the square part to the left side. As you can see for my robot, we can use this wheel as a center point, so the left side from this wheel into the square part. And then we can just put the other end down, and that way make sure that the main brush is rotating in both directions. And then you can take the cover. It needs to be protected by that cover. You can align it again with this teeth part, and then the other part, and simply push on it until you hear a click noise. That way we've just inserted our main brush. Just make sure that it rotates after that as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.